Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Windows 11 with file history correctly step by step clearly. To begin backing up Windows 11 using file history, first, click on the Start button located on your taskbar. Next, type Settings in the search bar and select the Settings app from the list. In the Settings menu, click on System in the left sidebar. Now, scroll down and select Storage. Within the Storage section, locate and click on Advanced Storage Settings. From the drop-down, choose Backup Options. In the Backup Options menu, you will see the File History section. Ensure that the Automatically Backup My Files toggle is turned on. If you don't have an external drive connected, plug in your USB drive or external hard drive now. In the same Backup Options menu, click on Add a Drive. Select the external drive you just connected to initiate the backup setup. After choosing your drive, you can customize what folders to backup. Click on More Options to view additional settings. In this section, you can choose which folders to include or exclude from the backup. Make your selections based on your preferences. Next, set the backup frequency by adjusting the Backup My Files dropdown. Options typically range from every hour to once a month. You can also determine how long to keep your backups by selecting options under Keep My Backups. Once configured, close the settings window. To manually start a backup, scroll up and click on Backup Now. You will see a progress indicator as the backup process commences. Once the process is complete, your files will be securely backed up. To verify backups, click on Restore Files from a current backup to access your backed up files. This step ensures that your important data is safe and can be recovered if needed. Remember to occasionally check your backup settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, disconnect your external drive only after confirming the backup has completed successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.